Okay, in my last class, just we are discussing about the mean values theorems. But today we will discuss about the continuation part of mean values theorem and limits and continuity. With that, we have some other different concept. That another one concept is indeterminate forms. So that is indeterminate forms we have to discuss today. And remember, I already told in the class that mean value theorems. Mean value theorems, there are two theorems and one statement and one proof with the problem on anything, any theorem they can ask. And in similar manner, in indeterminate forms, indeterminate forms, here in indeterminate forms, 2 mark there may be a 2 questions and 5 mark 1 question should be there for you, and most probably this is one of the very important unit in the RCU especially. But here for you they have collected 3 units and made only 1 unit there, so this may be little bit small marks. I think 7 marks they can ask in this unit, or there is a chance to ask 2 mark 1 question and 5 mark 2 questions they can ask for the autonomous to your college. And for RCU they can ask here 5 marks 2 questions compulsory and 2 marks 2 questions compulsory here in the RCU syllabus. But for you only they can ask a 2 mark 2 question or 5 mark 1 question either, or 2 mark 1 question or 5 marks 2 questions they can ask. Even everyone has to write these questions. But here there are many problems. Many problems are there. While if you know the how to solve or the solution method, then it is possible to solve all the problems. Many problems are there. You must know how to solve those problems. The method you should know. Without knowing the method, we can't able to solve all the problems. I can tell you 2-3 problems, that's all. But the method is very important to solve all the problems. Remember, first of all, indeterminate forms. There are 7 indeterminate forms. Remember, there are 7 indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms means the denominator goes to 0. Its value is not determined. How? For example, if it is a 0 by 0, 0 by 0, there are 7 indeterminate forms. So first I can write all those 7 indeterminate forms. So first one is first one indeterminate form is 0 by 0 is indeterminate, infinity by infinity indeterminate, and 0 into infinity, and infinity minus infinity, and 0 raised to 0, 1 raised to infinity, and infinity raised to 0. These all are indeterminate forms. Remember, these all are indeterminate forms. So how can we find it is in the, they are given any problem, any model problem. So for example, they can given 0 by 0 form, infinity by infinity form. It is very simple to find that in which form it is. Suppose I can take one example here. Just now I will write here limit, first question, one question I can take now on this. Remember, you can observe the method. Problems may be different. They can ask very different problems, but you can understand the method. So first one is evaluate. Evaluate limit as x tending to 0, x minus sin x divided by tan cube x. I am taking tan cube x here. This is one of the important problem which they can ask in your annual examination previously. So now you can observe here. Here what they given as x tending to 0 is there. So just you can substitute 0 here. Here after substituting 0, what we'll get? This is 0 minus sine x. This is sine 0 divided by tan cube x. This is tan cube 0. So what it gives? Sine 0 0 minus again sine 0 0 tan 0 0. This gives 0 by 0. So now you got here it is a 0 by 0 form. Are they given? Since it is 0 by 0 form, first you can know it is a which form. This is now 0 by 0 form. So after getting these type of forms, any form, either 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, whatever it may be, if we get in this form, again we are going to take the help of differentiation. That differentiation method is known as a L'Hospital rule. The continuous differentiation up to get a finite value. Given first of all it is indeterminate. To make it determinate, I can take the help of L'Hospital rule. That L'Hospital rule says that continuously we can differentiate to get a desired value or finite value. And remember here, while doing the differentiation, the numerator and denominator you can differentiate separately. You should not take it u by v rule. This is a very important thing. You cannot take u by v rule. This is a denominator, you can differentiate denominator, and numerator you can differentiate there only. Separately you can differentiate. You should not combine it, u by v rule, just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to take here given solution. You can observe I can solve 2-3 problems here. Solution. What are they given? Limit as x tends to 0 and x minus sin x divided by tan cube x. Shall I write limit as x tending to 0, x minus sin x divided by I can take multiply and divided by. Sir, how you know how to multiply and divided by? How you know this thing? You have to just adjustment is there, no? So that adjustment gives you easy and early result. So here, why I take x cube and x cube multiply and divided by? Why I take here? I know that tan cube x is there in the denominator. If I multiplied x cube in the numerator, I can make it tan x by x. Before that, it should be x tending to 0. I know that the formula. What the formula I know? Here I know. Limits as x tending to 0, sin x by x is equal to 0. And limit as x tending to 0, x by sin x is also 0. Limit as x tending to 0, x by tan x is also 0. Tan x is also 0. Or tan x by x is also 0. Whenever the limit as x tending to 0, remember x tending to 0 it should be. So therefore, I can make it. This is x cube by tan cube, whatever it may be, x square by sin square x. It's also 0. So like that, I'm going to make it a little bit simplification. This is equal to limit as x tending to 0, and this I can write as it is x sin x divided by x cube into x divided by tan x. Tan x, its whole square, I can write here, whole cube I can write here because it is a tan cube x. And after applying this cube to the both the terms, it will give x cube divided by tan cube x. And this is equal to, now limit as x tending to 0, and I can write this as a x minus sin x divided by x cube, and I can operate the limit as x tending to 0, x divided by tan x, its whole cube. And I know that x divided by tan cube x is what? This I already told that limit as x tends to 0, x by sin x is what? 1. Sorry. These are not 0. I'm very sorry. These are all 1, not 0. 1. So this is 1. So 1 raised to 3. 1 raised to 3, its value is 1 raised to 3. And the remaining LHS, what is there? You have to write as it is. It is 5-mark question, remember, divided by x cube. So now I got in this simplification form. So what it is now, just substitute. X is again substitute 0 minus sin 0 is again a 0 divided by 0. Again it is of the form 0 by 0. It is a 0 by 0 form again. Again differentiate numerator and denominator. First I am making this As per simplification, I can take this as a x cube and x cube multiply and divided by. Now here you can write differentiate this numerator. So numerator differentiation is what here? Limit as x tending to 0. Limit as x tending to 0. Now sin x differentiation is what here? X differentiation is again x differentiation is 0. Sorry, x constant x differentiation is 1, no, and sin x differentiation is cos x divided by x cube differentiation is 3x square. 3x square. After differentiating, again you can check. Substitute 0 here as in place of x. 1 minus cos 0 is 1. Remember, 1 minus cos 0 is 1. So 1 minus 0, 1 is again a 0 divided by x value is 0. Again a 0 by 0 form it is. Again 0 by 0 form. Again, then your aim is to differentiate it again. Don't leave it up to getting the finite value. So 1 differentiation is 0 minus cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Remember, I already told that don't take it u by v rule. You have to separately differentiate numerator as well as denominator. Divided by x cube. 3x square differentiation is x square is 2x and 3 constant. That means 3x, 6x. 3 to the 6x. Now here limit as x tending to 0, 0 minus into minus plus sin x divided by 6x. Again substitute x is equal to 0 sin 0 and tan x. This is x is equal to 0, 6 into 0 is 0. 0 by 0 form again. Again it is 0 by 0 form. And then differentiate. Mattu differentiate model. You have to differentiate again and again. So what you will get? Sin x differentiation is cos x divided by 6x differentiation is 6 only. So now you can substitute 0 again here. Cos 0 divided by 6. Cos 0 divided by 6. 0 cos 0 is what? 1 divided by 6. So we get a no finite result. Just stop here and we'll get the final answer. This is the final answer. So still, if you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself and you can ask the questions whatever and wherever you have doubt. Please ask now. You can unmute your mic and ask me. Otherwise, if you don't have any doubts, I can go with another example. Come on fast. Only 1 minute time I will give you for your doubt. Otherwise, I will take another problem.
Go with another example, sir.
Anybody? No problem? Argue la?
Sir, limit x tends to 0, x by sin x is also equal to 1, no, sir?
Yes, x by sin x is 1 and sin x by x is also 1. Tan x by x is 1, x by tan x is also 1. Okay? I think no one have question here. I will take the next example. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Example number 2. Example number 2. So we'll take some different example. There are many examples you have in the book, but you have to do it. Yes, different example I will take. This is one of the, you have to do this one homework I will give you later. But now the second example, limit as x tending to 0, e raised to x sin x minus x square divided by x cube. Remember this problem. See, this is one of the 5-mark question again. I am going to solve this problem. So now come to the point. Here solution. Again, what you get? Same procedure I am doing. Just you have to observe same process. Limit as x tending to 0. This is e raised to x. E raised to x by x is what? Here you can first find. This is in this switch form. E raised to 0 is what? 1. E raised to 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Minus again 0. Again 0. 0. So this is what totally the numerator goes to 0 divided by as x tends to 0. This is also 0. Again, it is what 0 by 0 form. And now differentiate this term. After getting differentiate this term. So what we will get here? Two functions are there. U into v rule. E raised to x as it is. Sin x differentiation is cos x plus sin x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to x is again e raised to x as it is. Minus differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of x square is 2x whole divided by x cube differentiation is 3x square. Finish. Now substitute. Now substitute as x tends to 0. E raised to 0 0. Cos 0 what? Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. So it means it is 1. Its value is 1. Its value is 1 plus its value is sin 0. It is 0 minus it is 1 minus 2 into 0. It is 0 again. Again 1 minus 1 is 0 divided by 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 and divided by 0. This goes to limit as x tending to 0. Again it is what? 0 by 0 form. Again now differentiate. Differentiate it again. How can we differentiate? Again e raised to x as it is. E raised to x as it is. Cos differentiation is minus sin x plus cos x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x only. After getting this, next you have to differentiate this term. Here also product rule. Sin x as it is. E raised to x differentiation is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x minus 1 is 0 and 2x differentiation is 2. It's whole divided by 3x square differentiation is 6x. Now substitute. Now substitute here. Now substitute value x tends to 0, or I can simplify first term. So as x tends to 0, sin 0 here, it is 0. And now substitute e raised to 0 is what? 1. Cos 0 is 1. This value is 1. This is 0 plus 1 plus sin 0, it is 0 plus e raised to x into cos. E raised to x into what? This is what? Cos x. And it is after substituting, it is 1 minus 0 minus 2. So now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is again a 0. Mattu wapas 0 atu. Divided by 6x. 6x is again a 6 into 0, 0. This is again a 0 by 0 form. Now again you differentiate it. Again differentiate it. What you will get? Limit as x tending to 0, e raised to x into minus sin x is there. Again product rule. E raised to x as it is. Minus sin x differentiation is minus cos x plus minus sin x as it is. Minus sin x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x only. Plus again product rule in the second term. Differentiate cos x as it is. E raised to x differentiation is e raised to x plus now e raised to x as it is. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. This term is over. Next this third term. So plus sin x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So minus this 0 as it is 0. Oh, just we can leave it that can 0 and minus 2 is there. 2 differentiation is 0. Whole divided by 6x differentiation is 6 only. So again now substitute as x tends to 0. Mattu check modu as x tends to 0. Substitute here as x tends to 0. What happens? E raised to 0. This is e raised to 0. This is what? Minus cos x. Remember, e raised to 0 1 and this value is minus 1 plus this is 0. Second term is 0 plus and this third term 1 because cos 0 is 1, e raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1 plus this term sin x is there, that is 0 plus again next term sin x is there, that is 0 plus here e raised to x cos x is there, it is 1 minus all remaining terms are 0 0 and remaining denominator is 6. Now after substituting the limit tends to 0, don't write it now, we get a finite value here. This gives minus 1 plus 1 0 and here plus 1 is there, so plus 1 by 6. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So if you have any doubt, now you can unmute your audio and ask me please fast. Still if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, please tell me. Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt. Doubt. Next problem.
Hill towards, sir.
Next problem. Hoogli. Shine. Shine. Sneha. Sandhi.
Sir.
Okay. Next problem. So one that homework you have to do. These are homework. Illa homework na amal class into much time hogtite adrogage solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Problem number 3 and one of the very important problem it is. So that problem is okay. For what value of A does sin 2x plus A sin x divided by x cube as limit x tending to 0 be finite, then find the value of A. Find value of A. I am going to find the value of A here. And here remember I wanted to find here limit as x tends to 0. This is equal to L. I am going to show its value, and then after finding its value I will show that is it in which form. So directly go to the solution. This is one of the very important problem, very important problem, especially in RCU. This question was asked many times. So very important problem. Solution. So first what they given you can write here limit as x tends to 0, limit as x tending to 0 sin 2x plus A sin x divided by x cube as it is I am written. And now you can check it here. As x tending to 0, what happens? As x tends to 0, sin 0, it is 0. Here also sin 0, 0 plus 0 divided by 0. Again it is a 0 by 0 form. Now next term, what is your aim? Now your aim is to differentiate. Limit as x tending to 0, differentiate sin 2x, differentiation is 2 cos 2x plus here A constant, sin x differentiation is again a cos x divided by this is x cube, differentiation is 3x square. So this is what again you can call this is equation number 1 now. And what they told, if denominator of 1 goes to 0 as x tends to 0 again. Therefore, the denominator here, you have to write one sentence. The denominator of 1 tending to 0 as x tending to 0. But given equation 1 tends to finite limit, or here already finite limit anta heli. So therefore the numerator 2 cos 2x plus A cos x must also tends to 0 as x tending to 0. Therefore limit as x tending to 0, the numerator what is there? 2 cos 2x plus A cos x. This is equal to 0, they said. What they said? The numerator and denominator both goes to 0 whenever it is in the form of 0 by 0. But after combining numerator and denominator, they said that its value must be a finite. This should be a finite. And now substitute as x tending to 0 here. X tending to 0, 2 into cos 0 is 1. 2 into cos 0 is 1 plus A into cos 0 is again a 1. This is equal to 0. Now tell me its value is 2 into A is equal to 2 plus A is equal to 0. I got it now here. 2 into A is equal to 0 or A is equal to what it is? Minus 2. So I got now A value. Mugitu. A value siktu nanaga. Arda problem mugitu. Half of this problem is completed. After finding the a value, put in equation number 1. Put a is equal to -2 in equation 1. After putting the a is equal to -1, now I will get that limit as x tending to 0. So 1 is what? Here 2 and cos 2x, cos 2x plus a value is what? 2 minus 2. A value is -2 into cos x divided by 3x square. 3x square. Now substitute here, or you can tell me now what it is. So what it is here? Substitute at 0. What you will get here? X is equal to 0 means cos x is 0. Sorry, cos x is here 2 into cos x is 1 plus -2 again cos x is 1 divided by 3x square is there. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Again its value goes to 0, numerator, and denominator is also 0 as x tends to 0. So therefore it is 0 by 0 form. Again, once again I will repeat here, as x tends to 0, 2 into cos 0 is 1, 2 into 1 is 1, 2, and now -2 constant, and cos x is there, as x tending to 0, cos 0 is again a 1. 2 1s are 2, -2 1s are -2, plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So therefore it is 3x square, again here x, as substituting x is equal to 0, this goes to 0, here numerator is 0, denominator 0, therefore it is 0 by 0 form. And now my aim is, after getting the 0 by 0 form, my aim is differentiate it again. Limit as x tending to 0, differentiate the numerator as well as denominator. 2 constant, again cos 2x is 2 sin 2x, that is 2 into -2 sin 2x. Remember, this is -2 sin 2x because cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Plus, next -2 constant as it is, cos x is minus sin x divided by 3x square differentiation is 6x. Again, you can substitute as 0, -4 it is, this is -4, and as x tends to 0, this goes to 0, plus, again here sin x is there, this is -2 constant, and sin x is there, this goes to 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0 divided by, as x tends to 0, 6x is 0. So again it is what? 0 by 0 form. And now limit as x tending to 0, again differentiate, -4 is there constant, and sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. Remember 2 cos 2x, because -2 into 2, 2 2s are -4, and sin 2x is there, differentiation of sin 2x is cos 2x, plus here minus into minus again a plus, 2 constant, sin x differentiation is cos x, it's divided by 6x, differentiation is 6. Now substitute at 0, what you will get? -2 into 2, its value after substituting the 0, -2 into 2 cos x, cos 0 is what? 1, plus 2 into again cos 0 is 1. So therefore it is -2 into -4 into 2. -4 to the -8. -8 plus 2. -8 plus 2 is what? -6, right? -6 divided by 6. -6 by 6 is -1. Therefore its answer is -1. Where finish. That's all. Aste ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆತಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ಸರ್
ಈಸಿ ಅದಲ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ?
yes sir.
Okay. So I will take another one, last example. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So now I can go with a different form. That is a different form ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, but you can understand in which form it is. So second one, problem number 4. Problem number 4, evaluate log of tan x divided by log x. Tan x divided by log x. Observe here as limit x tending to 0. X tending to 0. So you can observe the question here. Just your aim is to substitute. Substitute here. I will write a solution. Substitute here. Log tan x is what? 0, right? Tan x is what? 0. because as x tends to 0, no, tan 0 is 0, and log of tan 0 0, log of 0 again. So log 0 value, remember, log 0 value is infinity, and here log 0 value is again infinity, so therefore it is infinity by infinity form. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಹೊಸದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಬದಲಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಸೇಮೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಸೈನ್ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಲಾಗ್ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಯಾವ ಕೊಸೆಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಕೊಸೆಕ್ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು. Whatever the values they have mentioned there, you should know that value from the PUC first year and second year. Then these problems becomes very similar and very easy to you. Without knowing the values from the first year PUC, it is very difficult to guess in which form it is. Otherwise, one hint is that if you don't know even if you don't know value of tan 0, just you can substitute the value there. After substituting, if it is not comes in the finite value, again go and differentiate. But knowing the values is very better. So now solution is, it is infinity by infinity form. Again the same procedure will start. Limit as x tends to 0, log tan x. Log tan x is, it is of the form first log x. Log x is what? 1 by x. 1 by x into differentiation of tan x is, differentiation of tan x is what? Sec square x. Sec square x. It's whole divided by log x. Differentiation is again 1 by x. Is it right? And now you can simplify it. Limit as x tending to 0. So here what x is there? Shall I take this x as in the numerator form? I will take this as a numerator form. That is x into sec square x divided by tan x is there. I can write tan x. So very similar method here. You know, this is a 8th and 9th standard simplification, algebra simplification. ಈ x denominator ಒಳಗೆ ಐತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದು x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. x by tan x into sec square x. And now you have to check here now as x tends to 0. This is 0, sec 0 0 0. It whole term is 0 in the numerator, and denominator is what? Tan 0 0. Now we get infinity by infinity to 0 by 0 form. Very important step. First of all, they have given in the infinity by infinity form. After differentiating one term, we'll get a 0 by 0 form. Nodri, x is 0 andre the whole term 0 aate, numerator 0 and denominator chant 0 is 0. 0 by 0 form it is. 0 by 0 form agithe tandre nimage gottೈತಿ. Again the same procedure we have to finish. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋದ್ರು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Here you have to use one trick. That trick is, already I said in the first problem only, x tending to 0, x by tan x I can write, x by tan x I can write, and limit as x tends to 0, sec square x I can write here. This value is 1, this value is 1, you know already. And next, after getting this 1, and I'm not getting this x, sec square x, what is the value of sec square x? I don't know, I can write here. The limit
1 plus tan
to 0 as x tends to 0, sec square x can be written as cos square x, 1 by cos square x. So limit as x tending to 0, 1 by cos square x I can write, 1 by cos square x. So what is the value of cos x here now at x tends to 0?
1 1 1.
1. It is 1. Or otherwise you can substitute here only. Limit as x tends to 0, sec square x is also 1. So 1 square is 1 only. Or again, if you want, you can do here 1 divided by 1 square. So it is 1. So this is the solution. I think you got problems on this. Idir magin problems niಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನು 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಟೈಮ್ ಐತಿ ಇದು ಮುಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕ. After 1 minute it will be disconnected, and after that you can connect once by clicking on the same link. ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ್ರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಒಂದು 5 minutes ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು 5 minutes ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ರೆ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ 5 minutes ಟೈಮ್. After 5 minutes, you can join. Okay, thank you.